Ever wonder why stores run out of toilet paper during a crisis, even though people don't use more toilet paper? Or why products are suddenly out of stock, then 3 months later there are massive clearance sales? The answer is the bullwhip effect, one of the most fascinating and frustrating phenomena in business. Today, I'm breaking down what it is, why it happens, and how companies lose millions because of it. Let's dive in. So, what is the bullwhip effect? Imagine holding a bullwhip. A small flick at the handle creates a massive crack at the tip. That tiny motion created huge force at the other end. Supply chains work the same way. The bullwhip effect is when small demand fluctuations at retail cause progressively larger fluctuations at wholesale, distributor, manufacturer, and supplier levels. In simple terms, customers buy 5% more cereal, and the wheat farmer ends up planting 40% more wheat. The further from the customer, the more distorted the demand signal. It's like telephone, but with millions at stake. The most famous example? Procter Gamble and Pampers diapers. In the 1990s, P&G noticed something weird. Baby diaper consumption was incredibly stable. Babies need diapers every day. Birth rates don't spike 30%. Yet their manufacturing orders showed wild swings. Massive orders 1 month, then drops the next. Why was demand unpredictable when baby needs were stable? They discovered the bullwhip effect. Retailers saw a 5% uptick and ordered 10% more to build safety stock. Distributors saw this and ordered 20% more from P&G. P&G ordered 40% more raw materials. A 5% increase became a 40% swing in raw material orders. The result? Overstaffed factories 1 month, idle the next. Excess inventory, then shortages. Millions wasted. Why does this happen? 4 main causes. Cause number 1, demand forecasting updating. Every level forecasts based on orders received, not actual consumer demand. Distributors see retailers ordering more and assume demand is rising, so they order even more. You're forecasting based on forecasts. Errors compound. Cause number 2, order batching. Companies batch orders weekly or monthly to save costs. This creates artificial spikes. Suppliers see nothing, boom, massive order, then nothing. They can't tell if demand is rising or it's just batching. Cause number 3, price fluctuations. Promotions cause forward buying. Buyers stock up when prices drop. This spikes demand during promotions, then crashes after. Manufacturers just see volatile demand. Cause number 4, shortage gaming. During shortages, suppliers ration based on order size, so buyers inflate orders. Need 100 units but expect 50% fulfillment, order 200. The supplier sees demand double, scales up, then demand crashes when the shortage ends. These 4 causes amplify at every supply chain level. Remember 2020's toilet paper shortage? Bullwhip effect on steroids. People weren't using more toilet paper, just shifted where? From offices to homes, different supply chains. Panic buying started. Retailers doubled orders. Distributors tripled them. Manufacturers couldn't tell if this was temporary or permanent. Commercial toilet paper factories couldn't quickly switch to retail packaging. Then months later, everyone had closets full and stopped buying. Suddenly, too much supply. Small behavior changes, massive supply chain swings. How do companies fight this? Several proven strategies. Solution number 1, information sharing. The big one. Everyone sees actual consumer demand, not just orders from below. Walmart shares point-of-sale data directly with suppliers like P&G. They see real-time store sales. Solution number 2, vendor-managed inventory. Suppliers monitor inventory and auto-replenish, eliminates order batching and forecast errors. Solution number 3, everyday low pricing. No promotions means no forward buying. Walmart uses this. Stable prices create predictable demand. Solution number 4, smaller, frequent orders. Order 250 units weekly instead of 1,000 monthly. Creates smoother demand signals. Solution number 5, Allocate by past sales. During shortages, ration based on historical data, not inflated orders. It removes gaming incentive. Solution number 6, collaborative forecasting. Everyone forecasts together instead of separately. It reduces compounding errors. The theme? Transparency and collaboration. The bullwhip thrives in opacity. So here's what this really means. A tiny change in what customers buy can turn into huge swings across the supply chain. Not because demand is crazy, but because forecasts compound, orders get batched, prices distort behavior, and shortages make everyone game the system. That's why stable products like diapers can still create chaos, and why COVID turned toilet paper into a mystery. The fix isn't magic. It's visibility, shared data, smarter replenishment, stable pricing, and teams planning together. Understand this, and a lot of "why is this always out of stock" moments suddenly make sense. If this helped, like and subscribe for more business breakdowns. And tell me, what should we unpack next?